This is our 5th storm of the winter and our 3rd blizzard. It's absolutely unprecedented. We usually get about a bad storm about every 7 years, like clockwork. And this is just really bad. It's like whiteout conditions, winds blowing in 45-mile-per-hour gusts, and Washington D.C. and its suburbs are have basically ground to a halt. And standing on the porch, I'm not going to stand here too long because it is really bitter cold. The snow is really white and fluffy, and because it's so cold. And I'm just taking as much film as I can before I have to go back inside. Panning around once again through Arlington Village, the community I live in. That's Columbia Pike up there, and I can't even really see the street. But anyway, well, I know my filming skills aren't that good, but there you have it.